Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to switch Instagram account. So there might be two or more than two accounts in one device and one might not know how to switch the account. So today I'm going to help you by showing how to switch Instagram account. So first you need to open the Instagram app. After opening the Instagram app, you can see there's a profile photo on the bottom right corner. You just need to tap on it. Now there is a three bar icon on the top right corner. You just need to tap on it too. After tapping on it, there are different options: settings, archive, your activity. So you need to tap on the first option called settings. After tapping on it, you need to scroll down and see the logins. There are add or switch accounts, log out of all accounts. So you need to tap on add or switch accounts. After tapping on it, there are two accounts on this device. One is already logged in and another is the other account. So if you want to switch on to the other account, you need to tap on it. After tapping on it, you have successfully switched Instagram account. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video useful, like and share the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.